You having a good time in there? Uh-oh. What's that? That was a little scary. Yeah? Did you climb in there all by yourself? Yep. You're ready to go. She keeps making scary noises with that box.
You're so scary.
You're funny. Yeah? You're a funny bird. You're a funny bird. Yep. Tell me about it. Can you give me a tour? Yeah, that's your perch. Yep, and that's your toy. That's your other toy? Yeah. That's the floor where your poopy goes. Are you trying to get to the floor? And that's your snack. Where's your water?